This video will show how to calculate gross profit margin and profit margin as part of merchandising operations. I have two functions, gross profit and profit margin. Both use data dictionaries to make calculations. I will run the functions now. For gross profit margin equals 31.3%. Gross profit is 31 cents for every $1 of net sales earned. For profit margin equals 5.5%. The percentage of sales that is profit. I will show you how to make these calculations. Accounting for merchandising operations requires a multi-step process using an income statement. Net sales is gross sales less sales returns and allowance and sales discount. Or gross sales less sales returns and allowance and sales discount. Gross profit, net sales less cost of goods sold. Income from operations, gross profit less operating expenses. Income before income tax, income from operations plus non-operating revenues and less non-operating expenses. Net income, income before income tax less income tax expense. Here for gross profit margin, we have a company's data of net sales, interest revenue. This data dictionary will be used for making our functions and calculations. Let's create our gross profit margin function. This gross profit margin function will accept a data dictionary. Gross profit is net sales subtract cost of goods sold. Gross profit margin, GPM, will be gross profit divided by net sales. Because gross profit margin is a percentage, you need to multiply GPM by 100. Let's call our function now and pass in company data dictionary. We get the gross profit margin of 31.3%. The gross profit is 31 cents for every $1 of net sales earned. Let's now make the function for profit margin. Also accepts the data dictionary. Profit margin is net income divided by net sales. Let's print out a helpful reminder. This is backticks. Let's call our function now. Our dictionary is called company. Profit margin is 5.5%. The percentage of sales that is profit.